Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out Sea Ray's SPX 230. So we'll start way back here on the back of the boat. You can see the very back, you've got that nice large swim platform, the non-skid flooring, making it a spacious, comfortable space to hang off the boat. If you're anchored out at the sandbar or something, makes it a nice spot to swim up to. And then coming on in, you can see we've got the nice big sun pad here and that dune color for the interior on this model here. It's a great spot to lay out, get some sun, super comfortable spot to chill out right there. On underneath that sun pad is where you'll see that you've got your Mercruiser 6.2 300 horsepower IO motor. So that's a lot of power for this 23 footer here. You know, you're going to be able to reach good speeds and then get super efficient. Don't have to worry about any underpower there. A couple of things over here on the port side when you're walking in is you do have some storage compartments in there. And then right as you're walking on the boat, Sea Ray's conveniently placed the battery switch in this dry box here to where you can just hit that when you're coming in the boat, and then when you're getting off for the day, you just hit it on the way out and you can close that up. Super convenient on there. You got more storage underneath each of these seats here, and then a dedicated cooler spot right under this one here. I'll stand up so you guys can see that we've got our sport tower here with our big canopy. And I'm about 6'3", so you got a good bit of clearance up here above your head. And then right under here, you've got your large ski compartment. And that kind of scoots up a bit. It's also a dedicated storage spot for your anchor light that goes up on top of your tower there. Awesome factor on this boat is your dual captain's chairs. You don't see this a lot anymore on the Sea Ray, so it's really cool to see one, especially on the 230. They both have adjustable bolsters, and they both will full swivel as well. We'll move up onto the helm a little bit. So you can see you got your nice big Simrad screen there. That's going to house your chart plotter, your Mercury engine management. Anything you need to know about the boat while you're underway, you're going to find it in that screen there. As well as your head unit for your Fusion stereo system, and a couple of switches for your lighting. You got your courtesy lights in the cockpit, as well as your nav and anchor light switches there. Awesome feature of this boat is you do get Mercury's digital throttle system. So no throttle cable to wear out over time. It's super smooth shifting, and you also get the benefit of active trim. So this boat will essentially trim for you as you're going up and down the water. Over here on the port side, got a huge storage compartment where you can store just about anything you could possibly need. Toys, life vests, safety equipment. That's all for your discretion though. We'll move on up. You can see this windshield does have the ability to close off, making that a nice uniform look up there. And I'll take a seat in the bow so you can really see how spacious it is up here. So you see you can fit several people up here, and you do have storage underneath each of these cushions as well. Then under here, you got a smaller compartment for your anchor line and whatnot. And then your main anchor storage is going to be found under this hatch up here. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax on Lake Wylie, you can give me a call at 803-610-7828, and that's me, Blake Holbrooks.